Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for watching today. It really does mean a lot. I really do appreciate your support on the channel. So today is a special kind of video. So recently I announced that I was going on a low buy. Yesterday I was doing some shopping for my mum and I was in TK MAXX and I came across this. I need to avoid that place like the plague. I only bought it because it was £5.99 and it wasn't really expensive, and I didn't say that I wasn't going to buy any more boxes like this. I knew this one wouldn't be there when my low buy came to a head, and I am on a low buy, not a no buy, so I just thought, yeah, why not get it and unbox it on the channel with you guys. So it's the Model Zone mystery box, and it says that the products inside are worth £50, so let's see what we've got. Okay, so let's open it. Right, so I can see some tissue paper. Okay, so I can feel quite a lot of products. So let's see. Right, so, oh. Put that there for a minute. So, what's this? Right, so we've got this one to start off with. That's Now Brow Eyebrow Pencil and Brush Duo, so that's good. Not that I need any more brushes or eyebrow products. I've got quite a few at this point. What shade is it? 130 light brown. I don't know if that's going to be my shade. You know, that doesn't look like my eyebrows. Really nice packaging though, really nice. Right, so that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna try it, but I might end up decluttering it just because it's not my shade. And then you get a really nice brush. I like them brushes, so I want to keep it for that reason. Right, and then what's this one? Model's Own Eye Definer Kohl Pencil Eyeliner. So that one looks like that, same packaging. Ooh, it's blue. Look, it's nice and blue there. I got a blue one from Revolution and that turned out to be kind of rubbish. It was from their Revolution Pro line. So let's test this one out. Oh, that is really nice and smooth. Look at that. That'd go nicely with the blue. Yeah, so I was just saying that blue there would have gone really nicely with the blue from the Essence Which Side palette, which is this look that I've created, by the way. What else do we have in here? Seems like you get a lot for your money. I know Model Zone I've kind of I don't know if they've been liquidated, but you can't get the products anymore, so maybe that's why they're selling these boxes off, but they're selling them off at a really great price, £5.99. You can't even get a glossy box or a birch box for that amount of money, and it says the products are worth £50, but it just depends what you get in. With it being a mystery box, you never know what you get in the boxes, do you? So let's have a look at one of these. Right, so this one says Now Brow Eyebrow Tint Kit. Wow, did I just get the brow kit or something? This one is in shade 3. This one might be good for me. And I did need some brow tint kit. I do use brow tint on my eyebrows, and the one that I got last time was too dark, so we're going to be using this in a video. We're going to test it and see what it looks like. I'll show you what you get in here. So you get a Model Zone, I presume that's the brush, yeah, little brush to put the brow tint on with, which I really do appreciate. Normally you just get a spoolie and it can kind of go up here. so I do appreciate that little brush. Then you get the mixing plate, which is nice, and then you get the product, which is also nice, so you don't have to mix like another product in like you do with the one that I normally get. So I really do appreciate that. We'll be doing a video on that really soon, because I feel like my brows need tinting. Then we have another Brow Eyebrow Kit. So this one is in medium brown. That should be my shade as well. Oh, so you get some stencils. I'm not going to open them. I don't even think I'll use them. And then, oh, that's a cute compact. Comes like that. Comes with 2 brushes, and then it comes with the like highlighting powder, the wax, and the actual powder for your brows. That's really nice. I'll be using that when I next need some brow powder. I know I've got the Smashbox one, but I think I'll use this one first. Really right, so we've got a Model Zone and Eyeshadow powder. This one is in the shade Somerset. It's a matte one. This one might be going in a giveaway. Let's have a look at the colour. I'm only opening it to look at the colour just to see if I want to keep it or not. But I don't tend to use my eyeshadows. That's beautiful. It's still got the plastic on it. That's going to go into a giveaway, guys, I think. So let's put that off to the side. Then I'm seeing a gold Model Zone Galactica eyeliner. I've got a couple of these. I'm going to see what I've got in my collection. If I don't feel like I need it, that'll go in a giveaway as well. I'm just going to see what I have. Right, so we're getting a Model Zone Full Moon Mirror. Right, so I'm going to give this to my niece. I got a handbag and I'm going to pop that inside for Christmas, so she can have that. And then the last product is a waterproof cream eyeshadow, intense colour that stays put, my shadow Model Zone, and it's in the shade Golden Sand. I'll be keeping this. I like cream eyeshadows. So it just comes in a little pot like that. It's a very light shade though. Really just kind of dipping that. Oh, it's nice. It's very different. I don't have a shade like this in my collection. Can you see it? So that's everything I got, guys, and like all that for £5.99 I think is well worth it. I agree, the box should have probably been £50, but yeah, I did get mainly brow product as you saw, but the majority of them I will use. I don't know if that brow eyeliner is going to be any good, but I'll at least use it for the brush that it comes with. I do want to try it, so we're going to be trying that in an upcoming video, like with the eyeliner as well. We'll try that. Maybe I'll do a video. See, I can't really do a video with most of the products because I didn't really get a lot of products with it that wasn't brows. Obviously I got the eyeshadow, I got the eyeliner, we got a brow kit. So we could do a very simple look using them. We could do a very simple look testing some of the Model Zone products I got. I do think it's really good value for the money. If you're only paying £5.99 for it, it's great value for it. I wouldn't pay £50 for a box like that I didn't know what was coming. Yeah, unless it was a Jeffree Star mystery box, I wouldn't pay that amount of money for a Model Zone one, because if I would have paid £50, I don't think I would be happy that I got mainly brow products, because there's only so many brow products that you can put on your brows and they last for ages. So what we got for brows, let's just show you. Yeah, so we got 3 brow products, and I don't think in any mystery box you need to put 3 brow products in there. Then we got 1 eyeliner, 1 cream eyeshadow, 1 mirror, 1 glitter and 1 single eyeshadow. So you do get a lot. You get 4, 5, 6, 8 products for £5.99, guys. You cannot complain at that, can you? So yeah, this is, show you. Right, so this is what we got for £5.99. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I would recommend it if you can get hold of it for £5.99. I wouldn't recommend you pay any more than that, because you don't actually know what you're getting, and you might not like Model Zone as a brand. Now, I personally do like them. I don't have anything against them. I used to use their nail polishes. I would have loved to have one of their highlighters, the Model Zone highlighters that they brought out, which you can't get anymore. They just look gorgeous. So yeah, again, that's what I got in my box. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time and your support. It does mean a lot to me. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I would love to have you here as part of my little family. Please share and comment. I love hearing your comments. They actually mean so much to me. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.